Okay, so last days we discussed about few things. That is about actually we discussed about MS Paint, and we also discussed about few more applications. So first of all, I would like to ask something. So before we begin, so can you remember the two basic software types available? What are the two basic software types? Software වර්ග දෙක මොනවාද ප්‍රධාන?
System and application software.
System and application group, right? System and application software. So what is system software? What is system software? Yes. Two type of software, that is correct. System and application. So software වර්ග දෙක. Software කියලා කියන්නේ මොනවද? Software means instructions to the computer, or you can say programs. Programs which consist of instructions to the computer. Programs which consist of instructions to the computer. Those are called software. Okay, two kinds of software programs are there. Software වර්ග දෙකයි. Number one is systems of software. Number two is application software. System software and application software. What's the difference? වෙනස මොකක්ද? Software system කියන්නේ මොනවද? Application කියන්නේ මොනවද? මොනවද ඒවෙන් කරන්නේ? Sandasi? So what's the difference? System and application. Can you remember the difference? Matakada? Nadda? Okay, so system means, right? System kela kiyanne software which work with the system. System means the hardware. Software which works with the hardware because system software. Application means so different use applications. So what are the different use applications? Can you mention few use applications? Why you use software? Yes. Can you tell why we use software? Yes. Abhinu, any usages of software? Why we use software? මොනවටද අපි software පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ Abhinu? Yes. ඔයා පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ මොනවටද කියලා කියන්නකෝ software. What you can do with the software?
Oh.
Yes, Manuda. අපි software පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ ඇයි Manuda?
To make presentations.
To make presentations. Okay. Then Danuli, can you tell why we are using software? One reason. Application software පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ ඇයි?
To create documents and edit them.
Create documents, correct. And Devdisi, any other reason? Create documents, correct. Good.
Creating folders.
Sorry?
Creating folders.
Creating folders, actually we are using system software, no operating systems. Dilansa, so can you tell me one reason or one purpose that you are using software?
For making Word documents.
Yes, to make Word documents. Only to make Word documents? You said only Word document part only. So what about painting? What about image editing? What about playing music, playing video?
Audio
what about
editing?
Yeah, video editing, browsing websites. So I think you forgot the things, right? We learned this, right? We learned this one time. So these are the two software types, and why we use software. Right? There are two types of software, and why we use software. So basically, various user-related tasks. Okay, summary of this, you can write down this anyway. There are two kinds of software. So the computer system has three things: hardware, software, and liveware. So software has two categories: system and application. If software works with the hardware components, we call. If software works with hardware components, we call
Tangible components.
system software. If software used with applications, applications.
Application software.
Then application software. I think you can write this summary, right? You can write this summary. This is really required. So, and I have given the examples, but again I'm giving some more examples, right? So application software, can you tell me? Right, so I'm going to, so please write down this. So what are the application software types that you know? You said one thing, editing documents. Editing documents. Oh, what is that? Editing documents. I wrote in singular. Editing documents. So we can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint. That is to edit documents. Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And yes, that is for painting. Painting, Paint, MS Paint, Tux, Paint, Sumo, Sumo Paint app. And for audio, video play, VLC, and what else? KM Player, Windows Media Player. Those are for, yes, those are for playing videos. Browsing web. You all are so silent. Why? Browsing web. I think you are writing, right? Sorry. Browsing web. So what are the applications for browsing web? Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Safari, video editing. You can say Wondershare, Filmora, then Windows Movie Maker, and you can use Adobe Premiere, audio editing. We learned that. Audacity, Adobe Audition. So those are some examples for application software. You have more, right? So various tasks, you have more. Games, also application software. Just write down this note quickly. So why I'm giving this? Because you can't remember the stuff. The computer system has 3 components. So that is hardware, software, and liveware components. So this liveware component can be divided to software component can be divided to system and application. Out of that, now we are using application software. So these are the 2 types of software. Out of that, now we are using application. We are learning application software. So please write down the summary. This is the summary, right? Quickly write down this. මොනහරි clear නැත්නම් අහන්න. clear නැත්නම් මතක නැද්ද දන්නේ නැහැ මට. sure නැහැ. මතක නැත්නම්
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Before you do before I logged, after you do one or more related programs, that one, sir, did you do before something before
No.
that?
No.
Okay, sir.
Not right.
Because I logged in now.
Right. Right. Meanwhile, you write. I'll do small explanation. I'll do single explanation for those who are having difficulties. Right. For them, I'll do small single explanation over this. Computer system එක ගත්තම දරුවනේ එක කොටස් 3කට බෙදෙනවා. ප්‍රධාන කොටස් 3යි. Hardware, software, liveware කියන්නේ ඒ කොටස් 3ට. ඒකෙන් අද අපේ පාඩමේ ඉගෙන ගන්න අපිට තියෙන්නේ application software ගැන. එතකොට application software එක එක දේවල් වලට පාවිච්චි වෙනවා users ලගේ අවශ්‍යතාව වලට තමයි. පරිශීලකයෝ නැත්නම් users ලගේ අවශ්‍යතාව වලට තමයි application software යොදාගන්නේ. system software කියන එක අපි යොදාගන්නේ නැහැ. අපි යොදාගන්නේ නැහැ කියන්නේ ඒක අපිට විශේෂයෙන් අපිට වඩා ඒක ඇත්තටම අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ hardware වලට, රුඩාංග වලට. මොකද hardware එකිනෙක අඳුරගන්නේ, hardware communicate කරන්නේ. එතකොට hardware එක්ක වැඩ කරන්න අපිට පදනමක් හැදෙන්නේ, අපි hardware එක්ක වැඩ කරන්න ඕන අතරමැදිය වෙන්නේ system software. system software නැත්නම් අපිට hardware එක්ක වැඩ කරන්න බෑ. hardware වලටත් hardware එක්ක වැඩ කරන්න බෑ. එතකොට system software තමයි ඒ අවශ්‍යතාවය ඒ දේවල් කරලා දෙන්නේ. දැන් අපි හිතමුකෝ අපි කියන දේ දැන් ඔන්න වාහනයක යනවා නම් අපි බ්‍රේක් එක පෑගුවම ඒ බ්‍රේක් එක අදාළ විදියට ඒ වීල් එකට පණිවිඩය ඇවිලා මේ අපේ වාහනේ ස්ලෝ වෙනවා. ගියර් එකක් දැම්මම ඒ ගියර් එකට අදාළව අපේ වාහනේ වේගය නැත්නම් ඩ්‍රයිව් කරන විදිය වෙනස් වෙනවා. ස්ටීරින් වීල් එක කැරකුවම සුක්කානම කැරකුවම වාහනේ රෝද ඒ පැත්තට කැරකෙනවා. හැබැයි කම්පියුටර් එකේ එහෙම ගොඩක් ඒවා නැහැ අපිට. කීබෝඩ් එක විතරයි තියෙන්නේ. මවුස් එකයි කීබෝඩ් එකයි ප්‍රධාන වශයෙන්. ඒතර ඔය කියන දේවල් අර වගේ ලීවර ක්‍රියාකාරීත්වයක් නැහැ නේද? කැරකුවම කැරකෙන්න දේවල් නැහැ. හැරෙව්වම හැරෙන්න දේවල් නැහැ. බ්‍රේක් ගැහුවම නවතින්න දේවල් නැහැ. ඒ වෙනුවට අපි ලියන අකුරු, අපි මවුස් එකෙන් දෙන කමාන්ඩ්ස්, ඒ සියල්ල කම්පියුටර් එකට තේරුම් කරන්නේ මේ software කියන අතරමැදිය. ඒ සියල්ල තේරුම් කරන්නේ මේ hardware වලට මේ system software පද්ධති මෘදුකාංග තමයි එක කරන්නේ. ඒ හින්දා තමයි ඒක number 1 මේ. හැබැයි ඒ ටික මූලික වුණොත් ඒ කියන්නේ අපි කියන දේවල් කම්පියුටර් එකට තේරෙනවා නම් දෙවනි දේ තමයි අපිට ඕන වැඩ කරගන්නේ. පින්තූර එඩිට් කරන්න. ඒක අපි ලිව්වේ නෑ. picture editing මොනවාද? picture editing ඒකට අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන් Adobe Photoshop. ඔව්. photopia.com වගේ වෙබ්සයිට් cloud software පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Sir,
Oh, yes, you can tell. කියන්න පුතේ.
sir lap එකකින් join වෙලා ඉන්නකොට lap එක පිටියට plug කරලා නැත්තම් මේ ගෙරෙව්වට අවුලක් නැද්ද?
කරන්ට් එකට ප්ලග් කරලා නැත්නම් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. හැබැයි ඔයා Wi-Fi මොනවා හරි පාවිච්චි කරනවද? එතකොට Wi-Fi ඒක network connection එක කොහොමද පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ?
Wi-Fi එක පාවිච්චි කරන්නේ.
Wi-Fi ද? හැබැයි router එක වාගේ සමහරට අකුණු ගහනවා router එකට damage වෙන්න පුළුවන්.
හා sir.
හරි. device එක on කරලා තිබ්බට අවුලක් නැහැ. ඒක වෙන signal එකක් නැති හින්දා කරන්ට් එකට ගහලා නැත්නම්.
හා sir, thank you.
හැබැයි router එකට ප්‍රශ්නයක් වෙන්න පුළුවන් Wi-Fi router එක. අකුණු ගහනවා නම් ගොඩක්. Hari, ලියලි වරද හැමෝම?
ලිව්වා sir.
Right, okay.
Yes sir.
Right, if you are done, now today I'm thinking of, yes, I'm thinking of giving you more exposure to Photopia, photo editing application, Photopia, and I also explain you small video editing software that is Wondershare Filmora. I'll explain these two today, right? Photopia and video editing using Wondershare Filmora. ඔය දෙක මම කියලා දෙන්න. අද. එතකොට අපිට ඊළඟ දවසේ ඉගෙන ගන්න පුළුවන්. Next day we will learn according to our book. We have to learn about the keyboard and mouse. But we have learned this in touch typing. We initially start with this lesson. අපි officially ඉගෙන ගත්තේ නැහැ. Typing පටන් ගන්නකොටම අපි මේක ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Touch typing, keyboard, keys, we learned that. But not officially. Therefore, we will officially learn this in the next week and finish the lesson in the next week. Next week we can do this. But for today, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to explain you. So Audacity we already learned, right? Adobe Audition you don't want to learn. So this is just example. and Premiere Pro and OpenShot for video editing. So except the OpenShot, I'm going to use Wondershare today. Right. Then, yes, that is the...
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can't we hide the taskbar?
Can hide.
How, sir?
You can right click. So if you want, if you can share the screen, I can show. So can you share the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll let you share the screen. Quickly share, right? Quickly share the screen.
Excuse me, sir. Can you repeat it?
Sorry.
Teacher, sir, who needs to share the screen?
So who said that who want to hide this taskbar? Particular person can share it.
Sandhya Seetal.
Right, okay.
Sir, I know to hide this taskbar.
Okay, good. Then you can teach how to do.
Sir, can you see now?
Yeah, we can see. Diyansa, can you explain how to hide?
Go to the taskbar.
Go to the taskbar. Okay. Then
And will come as taskbar settings.
Okay, right. You can then see the taskbar settings. Okay, then
You go there. And there will be lock the taskbar. Below that, there will be automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode. Then on it.
Right. Okay.
Then it.
Right. Good. Very good. So go to the settings. Go to the settings. And there you can see, right? Okay, there you can see lock the taskbar and automatically hide the taskbar in the desktop mode. You have turned on that, right? And you can turn on the other one also, the tablet mode. Automatically hide the taskbar in the tablet mode. Yes, just on that, and then it will be automatically hidden. Just close this and it will be applied, right? Yeah, now click somewhere. No. Click somewhere in the desktop. It's not hidden. Did you lock it? Lock velada thiyena balana again right click. Right click there. No, it's not locked. Now lock it. Lock it. Okay, now unlock it again. Right click and unlock it. Okay, you can move this to click and move this to right side, please. No, click and drag this to right side. Okay, click kala drag karana pude dakuna ata patta. Now I can right click නෙමෙයි නිකන් normal click කළා. Drag වෙන්නේ නැද්ද? Click කළා drag කරන්න. I think I have to log into your machine and show it remotely. Okay, so since it's not today's lesson, I'll log into your computer and show this, right? Okay. Right. Okay, so let's learn today's lesson. You all can go to your browser and just open photofia.com. So I'll share you the link. Here's the link. So please go and open that. So this is alternative to Photoshop. This is a free version. Yes.
HTTPS, that one?
Which one?
What you send to the chat box, sir?
Yeah, you can just click and open it. Or you can copy and paste it in the browser.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Just open it. Okay. Now, right, what I'm going to do is we are going to open open a file from I'm going to open a file from my computer. So I'll share the file to you. You can open that, right? I'm going to share this. Okay. Here, I'm sharing you a file. Just open that. You can download and open that. I have already sent the file. Please download that file. And you can open it. Just click open from computer. මෙතන තියෙන open from computer කියන එක click කරලා ඊට පස්සේ වාගේ computer එකේ තියෙන ඒ අදාළ image එක මම එවලා තියෙනවා already image එකක්. Please select that.
Shall I share the screen?
Yeah, sure you can.
Because I can't see your screen that much sometimes.
Sir,
Right.
we have to click find in folder.
Excuse me.
You have to click open from computer. Then from that you can open the file that I have sent.
Okay, sir.
Right. I'm going to use this. Okay, those who said that you want to share the screen, now you can.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Quickly do this, right?
Sir, can you see?
Yeah, can. Just go to the open from computer. Yeah, that one. Second one. Then have you downloaded the file? If you have downloaded, you can open from there. Just go to the download and see whether you have downloaded version. Downloads on the side second one. Yeah, that one. And check whether you have downloaded the photo that I have sent. Is this the one? Just click it. Just click and open it. I don't know whether it's not. It's not. Just close it. It's not the one. Take a close karana pude. No, don't drag. Close from the close button here. You can see the close button. Close button එකක් තියෙන එකෙන් close කරන්න. ඔතන නෙවෙයි. ෆොටෝ එකේ ඔයා බලන්න ෆොටෝ එකේ නම තියෙනවා පේනවද? අර ෆයිල් මෙනු එකට යටි ඊළඟට තියෙන auto select කියලා එතන close එක. Then okay. So have you downloaded the file that I have sent?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go again and check whether that file is there. File open again. Open from the computer. Open from the computer. File open. That is also okay. And check whether the file is there that I have sent. How to find that? A lot of files are there. Can you remember the file name that you have shared? Saved? No. There are a lot of files. So in the desktop, can you see? Desktop just drag. There's unnamed JPG, don't know. Wow, ඔතන තියෙන මේ තියෙනවනේ the view එක change කරන්න. New folder එකට පස්සේ බලන්න search desktop කියලා තියෙන එකට යටින් තියෙනවා. Search desktop කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා නේද? Right side එකේ උඩ. දකුණු පැත්තේ උඩ තියෙන search desktop කියලා ඊට යන්න එක. ඔය මනුද highlight කරේ. මනුද highlight කරලා පෙන්නේ screen එකේ පේනවද? නෑ, ඔයාලට පේන්නේ නැහැ මං හිතන්නේ. Search desktop කියන එකට යටින් උඩ වම් මත පැත්තේ උඩ left hand, sorry, right hand, go to the right hand side. There, go and change it to the extra large icons. උඩම තියෙන extra large icons. Now you can see the pictures before you open it. Just now scroll down a little. Scroll down. No. You have again something wrong. Go back. Go to the desktop. Scroll down and see there whether that picture is there. It's not there. Is it there or not there? No, you don't have that. I don't know to where you have downloaded. Go to the documents and see. Where do I download kare? Where have you downloaded? Again, drop down and see. I think it's also not there.
So that
Okay, forget about this. Go to this PC. This PC කියන එකට යන්න. Others also can do this if you cannot find this, right? Go to this PC, right side.
on my laptop, when I click that link, it says that your tab is all updated.
So maybe your version is okay old. That's why. But you can look this and later do this, right? ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේක බලන් ඉන්න. දවවා තව පල්ලයට යන්න පුතේ. Okay, downloads නෙමෙයි. So just scroll down. පොඩ්ඩක් scroll down කරන්න. පොඩ්ඩක් scroll down කරන්න පුතේ. So can you scroll down this? Further, go to C drive. Go to C drive. C drive එකට යන්න. C එක තියෙනවා තියෙන්නේ. අර devices වල තිබි පල්ලේ. C කියලා local disk C. That is not the one. Double click it. Double click. Then go to Windows folder. The last one. Okay. Then scroll down to the bottom. Scroll down. පල්ලයට මම යන්න. තව පල්ලයට. ගොඩක් යන්න. web කියන folder එකක් ඇති. තව යන්න. තව ගොඩක් යන්න. තාම S අකුර යන්න.
එකක් ක්ලික් කරලා VED කියන කොටේට ගමන් පුළුවන්.
ඔය තියෙන web කියලා එකක්. දැන් තිබ්බ එක පහ වුණා.
ඒක බහුණා.
පහ වුණා. තව උඩ. ඔය තියෙන web කියලා folder එක. Just go to that. Then go to wallpaper. Then go to flowers. Okay, open one picture from there. Just open one picture from there, right? Okay, so others who cannot do, please open at least a picture in your computer, right? ඔයාලගේ computer එකේ තියෙන මොකක් හරි picture එකක් open කරගන්න. I'm shifting back to my computer and I have opened this one. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to change the color of this. I just want to change the, right? So I just want to change the green color and I just want to make it more blue. So what I'm going to do, I'll go to image menu, adjustment menu, බලන්න image එකේ adjustment එකේ replace color. කරන විදිය හොඳට බලන් ඉන්න ඉස්සලම කරන්න යන්න එපා. Image adjustment replace color. හරි එතකොට මෙහෙම එකක් එයි. ඒක පොඩ්ඩක් ක්ලික් කරලා පැත්තකට ගන්න. Click and drag this to some corner.
දැන් මියුට් කරලා.
Okay, then so this you can see this square. It's called hue. Just above hue, you can see the square. Just click on that square. Then you will get color picker. මේ කොටුව ඇතුලේ click කරන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලට color pick එක හම්බ වෙනවා. Then go and pick. Then click on the green color. I'm going to click this green color. Or you can see when you click, it will change the color. When you click somewhere, when you click the skin, it will change the skin color. When you click the dress, it is picking the dress color. If you click on this one, it's picking the cloth color. If you pick on this one, yes.
So how to change the color of the dress and
First listen. So number one thing, you have to listen. Without listening, you can't do anything. Right? That's why I'm so giving this one by one. Again, I'm going back. So after opening the image, go to image, adjustment, replace color. Image, adjustment, replace color. Okay, go to that now. Everyone, හැමෝම යන්න එතනට. Image, adjustment, replace color. Last one, image, adjustment, the last one, replace color. Harida, did you get a window like this?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay, good. Now, just click on the color box here. Just click on the color box here and you will get a color picker. Color picker එක මේකේ මැද්දෙන් එනවා නම් මේක උඩ click කරලා මේක පැත්තකට ගන්න. Just drag this to the corner. Then you have space. Okay, you got the color picker? Or not yet? Color picker එක හම්බුණාද?
Yes, sir.
හරි. If you got the color picker, now you can go and click on the picture. Any color that you like to change. I am going to change the green color. So I'll click on the green color. So it will select the green color for me. So that is the advantage. When you click on a color, it will pick that color. කොහේ click කරාම මේ color එක එයා ගන්නවා automatically. නැත්නම් අපි manually select කරනවා. It's harder to give the color. So you just click it, it will take the color. After getting that color, don't click anywhere, just click OK. දැන් ඔයාලට පේනවනේ මේ කොළ පාට අරන් තියෙන්නේ මෙතන පෙන්නනවා. You can see the green color, click OK. You can select any other color. Then I'm going to change the hue. And you can see it's adjusting. Now it's blue, greenish, red, purple, blue, purple, red. So I prefer this red or this green. Let's make it. And you can change the saturation. Saturation කියන්නේ color එකේ කොච්චර depth එකක් තියෙනවද? You can more saturate or desaturate. More saturated or desaturated. Let's have some lightness. You can make it lighter or darker. Let's make it bit darker like this. Then click OK and you can see the image is changed. If you want to go to the previous version, just go to edit and undo. If you want to come back, edit and step forward. Edit and undo වලින් පස්සට යන්න පුළුවන්. Edit step forward වලින් ඉස්සරහට එන්න පුළුවන්. Edit, undo, edit, step forward. Okay. Can you change the color and send me the picture?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, chat එකට එව්ව link එක මට open වෙන්නේ නැහැ.
Can you copy and paste it in your browser? Copy කරලා browser එකේ paste කරන්න photofia.com කියන එක. නැත්නම් just type it in the browser. Type කරන්න නැත්නම් copy paste කරගන්න. Okay, anyone else need help? කාටත් තව උදව් ඕන? This is what Manuda has sent and let's open it and see. Okay. Good, you have changed the color. But my recommendation is take a picture. Right? Take a picture and change it. Anyone else who need help? Who need help? If you need help, you can share the screen, then I can help. Help එකක් ඕන නැද්ද? හරි එහෙනම් කරන්නකෝ කරලා ඉක්මනින් එවන්න.
Sir, I need help.
Okay, so you can share the screen quickly. ඉක්මනට share කරන්න.
I tab reload now.
Sorry.
The Photofia tab reload now. That's why I need help.
All right. You just loaded the image. Right, you can,
sir.
so you can share the screen, so then I can help. So that is one thing that you can do. Quickly share the screen, then I can help. Open from computer, then open image. Open any image from there. Just take image. Okay, click open. Now go to image adjustment. Please go to image menu. Image menu එකේ adjustment වලට යන්න. Adjustment.